Hello, my people. You can see in Enugu, the whole keke and the bus drivers park and block the highway, refusing anybody to park. Why? Because ATM is charging too much, fuel is charging too much. This is Abba Road, as you can see. Keke people block everywhere. And saying that they should reduce the price of fuel, or else they will shut down everywhere. You can see 6th Avenue is blocked.
Life is no more affordable.
People are blocking everywhere. You can see the filling station. Fuel is 450 in Enugu and everybody is protesting about it. You can see everybody. Look at people. Look at keke. Look at buses everywhere. As you can see, people are blocking the road, saying there is no more other movement. They don't want to do keke again, no bus again. Protests have started. Revolution have started in Enugu against government and independent marketers of fuel and people who are making this country ungovernable and unstable. Look at people protesting everywhere. Fuel is going to 800. You can see people. You can see everywhere blocked. The people are protesting, saying that they can continue buying fuel and people can continue going everywhere they like. Revolution have started in Enugu. This is Enugu 042. This is 6th Avenue. You can see everybody right here. They have blocked everywhere, say that motor and buses, everybody say that they are not going anywhere. Look at filling station, Color. They are selling fuel for 450. People are protesting, saying that they are not going anywhere. Revolution have just started in Enugu. You can hear protests from here to P&T bus stop, all the way to down to Abani Road. No other movement. People are blocking the road. No money to spend. Bad government. You can see everybody is protesting. No other movement. Vehicle, keke, car, anything cannot move. You can see everybody protesting. You see, independent marketers want to kill us, making this life unlivable and intolerant. Very wicked set of people selling fuel for 450, going to 800 while subsidy has not been removed. Look at people blocking everywhere. Let me keep quiet so that you see people protesting. You can see every day they're adding 50, 100 naira into the fuel price, making it unbuyable. You can see this car parked, blocking the road. People everywhere blocked. You can see Nigeria, Jaga, everybody is dancing for it. You can see there is revolution ongoing in Enugu. Bus drivers, keke drivers,
we are not happy again.
Everybody is
we are not happy again.
You can see.
We are the best.
You can see people everywhere.
450 naira.
People are paying almost 1,000 where they are paying 100 naira before to go. Now it's 1,000 to go there. How can poor masses, a man that have 5 or 6 kids, feed his children? Why? Where is this country going to? If Buhari know he cannot continue ruling this country again, let him step down. Let people that are capable, let them take over. APC government has killed this country. You can see the people. Any man with his normal senses will not vote APC again. APC has failed. You can see people everywhere. Enugu is blocked down. No other movement. You can see people everywhere. People are protesting. You can see this is 6th Avenue in Enugu State. You can't go, you can't come. Everywhere is blocked. The whole city is shut down. Enugu State has started the revolution against fuel and independent marketers who have refused that we will not live our life normal. Common man that is paying 100 naira to go somewhere will now pay 2,000 to go. How many people can afford that kind of money? You can see everywhere people are revolutionizing, or I don't say revolution have started. People have started, nobody is moving anywhere. Keke block everywhere. You can see people blocking everywhere with keke. Nobody is going anywhere. Let me stop here. Come down to 6th Avenue, and they are proceeding to block all the highways in Enugu. You can see it. Come down to Enugu and see what is going on. Thank you.